Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be discussing two mathematics Olympiad questions. Let's start. The first question is a shopkeeper packs 7.2 kg of rice flour into 24 packets. 3 by 4th of the rice flour is packed equally into 20 packets. The remaining rice flour is packed equally into bigger packets. What is the difference in weight between big packet and small packet of rice flour? Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find the difference in weight between bigger packet and smaller packet. Let's see how to solve this question. 7.2 kg of rice flour equals to 7200 grams. 3 by 4th of the rice flour packed. 3 by 4 multiplied by 7200. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1800 ja 7200. 3 multiplied by 1800 equals to 5400. He packed in 20 packets. 5400 divided by 20. 0 will get cancelled. 272 ja 540. So 270 grams. Weight of rice flour in small packet is 270 grams. Remaining is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 7200. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1800 ja 7200. 1800 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 450 ja 1800. 450 grams. Weight of rice flour in a big packet is 450 grams. Now we know the weight of rice flour in small packet and big packet. Now we are going to find the difference. Difference is 450 grams minus 270 grams equals to 180 grams. The difference in weight between a big packet and small packet of rice flour is 180 grams. To make sure you grasp the concept, let's run through the entire solution one last time. Take a look at the full video to see the step-by-step process. If you have any doubts regarding this problem, please ask me in the comment section. First, read the question carefully and take a few minutes to understand the question, because when we understood the question, then only we can solve the problem easily. Second question is, a shipping company transported 100 vases to another country for Maya. It charged 150 rupees for each vase safely transported and will pay Maya 200 rupees for every broken vase if Maya paid a total of 12,200 to shipping company. How many of the vases were broken? Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. Let's see how to solve this problem. If the vases are all delivered safely, then total payment would be 150 rupees multiplied by 100 equals to 15,000 rupees. Difference is 15,000 minus 12,200 equals to 2,800 rupees. Amount to be reduced. If one vase is broken, 200 plus 150 equals to 350. Now difference divided by one vase is broken. 2,800 divided by 350. 0 will get cancelled. 35 1 ja 35, 35 8 ja 280. 8 vases were broken. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.